Welcome, viewers. How to get passive income when earning less money. Passive income is a great way to make money without having to put a lot of effort. Here are some of the ideas to generate passive income even if you don't have a lot of money to start with. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating an online course and selling it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can create the course once and earn money from it indefinitely. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in these stocks, you can earn a passive income in the form of a regular dividend payment. Rent out a room or space. If you have an extra room or space in your home, consider renting it out on an Airbnb or a rental platform. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. Create an ebook. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular area, consider writing an ebook and selling it on Amazon or other ebook platforms. Once the book is written, you can earn a passive income from sales. Create a blog or a YouTube channel. By creating a blog or a YouTube channel, you can earn passive income from advertising revenues and sponsorships. Over time, your content can continue to generate income even if you're not actively creating new content. These are just a few ideas of generating passive income. With a little creativity and effort, you can find ways to make money while having less money to start with. Thank you for watching, and please share with anyone you think will benefit.